In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, one essential tool every user must understand is the crypto wallet. This guide will walk you through what crypto wallets are, their different types, and key security measures to keep your digital assets safe. What is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Unlike a physical wallet, it doesn't store currency in the traditional sense. Instead, it holds cryptographic keys, public and private keys, that allow you to interact with the blockchain, where your crypto assets actually reside. Types of crypto wallets. First up, hot wallets. These are connected to the internet and are convenient for frequent transactions. They include desktop wallets, mobile wallets, and online wallets. While they offer ease of use, they are more vulnerable to hacking due to their internet connectivity. Cold wallets. These are offline wallets, much more secure from hacking attempts. Cold wallets include hardware wallets like USB devices and paper wallets. They are ideal for storing large amounts of crypto that you don't need to access frequently. And finally, hybrid wallets. Some wallets offer a combination of hot and cold storage, providing both security and convenience. Choosing the right wallet. Your choice of wallet will depend on your usage. If you're actively trading or spending crypto, a hot wallet could be more convenient to use. For long-term investment, a cold wallet is safer. Many users opt for a combination, storing the bulk of their assets in a cold wallet and a small amount in a hot wallet for regular transactions. Security measures for crypto wallets. Always have a backup of your private keys or seed phrase. This is crucial in case you lose access to your wallet. Protect your wallet with strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Beware of phishing attacks and stay vigilant. Always double-check URLs and email addresses to ensure they are from legitimate sources. Regularly update your wallet software to the latest version to protect against vulnerabilities. For substantial investments, consider using a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet provides a high level of security by storing your keys offline. The future of crypto wallets. As the world of digital currency continues to grow, so does the technology behind crypto wallets. Future wallets may incorporate more user-friendly interfaces, enhanced security features, and wider compatibility across different cryptocurrencies. Understanding and using crypto wallets is essential for anyone looking to venture into the world of digital currencies. By choosing the right type of wallet and following key security measures, you can safely manage and protect your cryptocurrency investments. Remember, while the world of cryptocurrencies offers vast opportunities, it also demands responsibility and caution, especially when it comes to safeguarding your digital assets. For more guides and insights into the world of cryptocurrencies, don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel. Stay tuned for more content on navigating the crypto space safely and effectively.